Hi guys, your local LCA, Tyler Pierce, and Aaron Scordell's Chiropractic. Today we're going to be talking about how to foam roll your IT band with the Rollga. Now if you've been in the office recently, I've been talking about these a lot. These are the greatest foam rollers out there to actually target your muscles and not your bones. Traditional foam rollers don't give you that relief that this Rollga can. Now with foam rolling your IT band, you want to be a little bit careful. Recent studies show that you don't want to bash over the IT band. You actually can cause more damage to it, and what I mean by damage is causing it to tighten up to cause more pain in the knee or in the hip. So with this, we're going to use the larger of the two grooves, which are the outermost grooves. You're going to take this Rollga, you're going to place your leg, for me it's going to be my right leg, into the larger groove. You're going to use your opposite leg, so your left leg, to roll yourself up and down on the Rollga. Now with this is allowing you to target the outside of the IT band, not directly on it. When you're rolling around the IT band, it gives you better relief and not as much tightness in the area. And you want to do this for about 30 seconds to a minute, up to 3 times a day. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, just come in the office and we can always chat.